Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you 3 different ways to write the classic Hello World program in Microsoft MakeCode Arcade. So let's go ahead and open up MakeCode Arcade by typing arcade.makecode.com in our browser's URL bar. Now we want to create a new project and give it a descriptive name. The first and easiest way to display text in MakeCode Arcade is with the splash block. Click on the purple Game tab and scroll down to the Prompt section. Then drag the splash block out and drop it into the On Start block. Click on the white area in the block and type Hello World. As we change the code, you'll notice it gets run automatically in the simulator on the left-hand side of the window. The second way of displaying text is to use the dialog system. This method has the advantage of being more customizable. Let's remove the splash block by dragging it back onto the tab area. Next, click on the Game tab again and scroll down to the Dialog section. Drag the Show Long text block out and into the On Start block, then type in Hello World, as we did before. The drop-down in the block lets us position the text in various ways, but for now we'll set it to full screen. If we want to change the color of the text, we can drag out a Set Dialog Text Color block. If we want to change the background panel, we can use a Set Dialog Frame block. And if we want to change or hide the prompt icon, we can use a Set Dialog Cursor block. The third method prints text directly onto the background image. This gives you the most flexibility, but requires a little scripting, so this approach is for the more advanced user. Let's first remove the previous method's blocks, then switch to the JavaScript editor. Here, type in the text exactly as shown. Once done, we are still able to switch back to the block editor, and the line we typed will be converted into its own block. We can make this custom print block more accessible to the block system by wrapping it up in a function and linking up the parameters. Expand the Advanced tab, then click on Functions. Make a new function and give it an appropriate name. Then add a text parameter and 2 number parameters. Rename the number parameters to X and Y. Next, let's drag our JavaScript block into the new function before switching back to the JavaScript editor. Now we can replace Hello World with the word text and the 2 zeros with X and Y to link the block function parameters with the JavaScript function arguments. If we swap back to the block editor, our new function is now ready to use. The On Start block may have vanished, but we can add it back in from the Loops tab. Then we can drag out our new function from the Functions tab. And change the values to set the text and change its position. So there you have it. 3 ways to write the classic Hello World in Microsoft MakeCode Arcade. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.